Today I'm going to be showing you how to get your alocasia corms to sprout like this. For this video, I will be using Regal Shield corms. And what you're going to need is just a container that has a lid on it. That way you're promoting humidity. For this exact method, I'm using Fluval Stratum. It has a good pH that's going to help the corms to root and establish well. So I'm applying a thin layer of that to the container. And yeah, that's kind of just what it looks like. Next step is I'm going to go ahead and start peeling the skin off of the corms. This is not a necessary step. This is just per however you'd like. I've seen people leave the skin on. I always take it off just because I think it helps in some ways. I've never had any issues peeling them. From here, you can add a thin layer of water to the container. Make sure it's thin. And I'm also going to spray the lid with a little bit of water as well, just to get the humidity kick started in there. And voila, you're done. I'll go ahead and post an update in a couple of weeks.